At the end of the video, I'll show you how easy it is to draw on CREO. Hey guys, welcome to CAD Max. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the sketching tools. Let's start by the line tool. The line tool has two options, the line chain and the line tangent. For the line chain, you can draw lines which are connected with each other. Example. To deselect the line chain, all you have to do is click on the middle mouse button and click on the middle mouse button again to enter the dimensions for it. For the line tangent tool, you can draw lines from curved edges, say a circle or an arc, to another curved surface. So we draw a curved surface like a circle and another circle, and we're going to draw a tangent between them. You can see these red boxes which indicate that the object is not closed, so you won't be able to extrude it into a 3D object. To close an object, you can either draw to close or trim to close, or you can use both. For now, we are going to be trimming it to close. You select the delete segment and delete this part and this part. Now the red boxes are gone and the object is closed. Next is the rectangle tool. There are 4 types of rectangles to choose from: the corner rectangle, slanted rectangle, center rectangle, and the parallelogram. For the corner rectangle, you can click from one corner of a point and drag to make a rectangle. For the slanted rectangle, it is used to create rectangles of any angles you want. For the center rectangle, you can create a rectangle from its center. Now for the parallelogram. For parallelogram, click and drag for one side and click again and drag to draw the other. You can change its angle just by moving the mouse around. Next is the circle, which has center and point, concentric, 3-point, and 3 tangent. With center and point tool, you can draw a circle from its center by just clicking and dragging it. Just click and drag. For the concentric tool, which allows us to draw concentric circles. To use this tool, you should have a reference arc or a circle. You can also draw by clicking on the center point of a circle or an arc. First we'll draw a circle, and this is the reference circle we are going to be using to make a concentric circle. Now that you have selected the concentric circle, we select the circumference. Click and drag. Click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. You can also create a concentric circle from the center point of a circle, like this. Or from an arc. The 3-point circle tool You can draw a circle with 3 points or 2 points. 3 point. On a freehand sketch, 2 points may be used. For a circle inside an object, 3 point circle is used. So now we are going to be drawing a diagram in free sketch. 1 point, second point, I will draw a circle. 1, 2, and we have a circle. To draw a 3 point circle, the circumference of the circle or the center point of the circle must be intersecting with the other points or surface of any object, like a rectangle. We draw a rectangle here. Okay. Now for the 3 point circle, that's 1 point, then the other, and for the third point, the center point of the circle interlinked with the diagonal of the rectangle, and that makes the third point of the circle. The 3 tangent tool is used to create a circle which is tangent to 3 points or surface. So we need 3 points or a surface now. So we'll be creating 3 surfaces. 1, 2, and 3. And for the 3 points tangent circle, the circle should be tangent to this point, this surface, and this surface. Now it's tangent to all the 3 surfaces. Now we draw a circle which is tangent to 3 surfaces inside an object. So we create an object and click the circle. It should be tangent to this point, and you can select this one or this one. That's your choice. This one. For the arc, there's 5 types of arc: 3 point tangent end, center ends, 3 tangent, concentric, and conic. For the 3 point arc, you can draw an arc with 3 points or even 2 points. First I draw a 3 point arc. For 3 point arc, you will be needing 1 point. Second, and for the third point, we will be using the center line here. That's a 3 point arc. For the 2 point arc, you'll just be needing 2 points. 1, 2, and you got yourself an arc. 3. For the center and end arc, you will be getting as a reference circle on which you can draw an arc like this. Center and end. You click and drag for a reference circle, and you click again to draw an arc along that circle. Click, drag, click and drag. For the 3 tangent, you will be needing 3 faces, 3 points or 3 surfaces. So we'll be creating 3 surfaces for that. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll draw 3 tangent arc. 2 and 3. Now that's a 3 tangent arc. For the concentric arc, you should be taking reference from previous arc. You can take reference from any arc you want, any previous arc. For the conic, you can draw the length of the 2 points and draw an arc in between them. axis end ellipse, center and axis ellipse. For the axis end ellipse, you will be creating a line which is going to be the length of axis of your ellipse. So you draw an axis and click and drag to make your ellipse. For the other one, center and axis ellipse, you will be drawing the axis of your ellipse from the center. See, the axis grows from the center point, and click and drag to make your ellipse. For the spline, is really just a combination of a line and a curve. You click and drag, and you will be getting a spline in no time. The fillet is a handy tool used to make sharp edges round. Now we'll make a sharp edge round on a rectangle. It's a rectangle, and you choose the fillet. Click on one point and another, and you have a round edge. You can always middle click twice and click on this for entering the dimensions. There's 59, so we'll give about 20. Yeah, that's 20. You can click on it and next is the elliptical fillet tool. The elliptical tool, which is also a fillet tool, used to make the sharp edges look like an ellipse. Click here and click here, and this is an quarter ellipse here. The chamfer tool allows you to make chamfer. You click on one side, and on another you get yourself a chamfer. With the help of the text tool, you can write your text. Click and drag for length of your text. Click once again, and you will be shown this box. You can write whatever you want. And hit OK. The offset tool can move a line or an object at a distance. We will try the offset tool on a rectangle. First we will draw a rectangle, select the offset. Now it shows that the offset is going to be done on this direction, but we need the offset to be here, which is opposite to the arrow mark. So we will be writing a negative value, minus 50. Now we can see that this line has been offsetted by 50 in this direction as single. Now for the chain and loop. For the chain, select this, select that, accept, minus 50, and now you got a line which is offsetted by chain. Then the loop, itself. 1 is in this direction, so I'll be have to give a negative value, minus 50, and we have a loop offsetted to about 50 mm in this direction, in the negative direction. We'll just give it another offset. This time we're going to be giving inside. Now let's try the offset tool on some another objects. Delete this, pick up line. Okay, now it's a closed loop. Offset. It has a loop. Which one? This one. I don't want it to be inside, I want it to be outside. So minus 100. Yep, you get it. Next is the thicken tool. It has the same selecting modes as of the offset tool, except we have end caps, open, flat and circular. For the open end caps, it's as same as the offset tool. Draw a rectangle, thicken, open, give 50 in this direction, so minus D offset. So now you can see the thickness is 50 and the distance between this line and this line is also 50. So there's not going to be any difference here. It's just a simple offset, but it's an open thicken type. But when you select the flat end cap, something happens. Give the thickness about 50 and minus 50. Now you can see the thickness is 50, which is offsetted at 50 from this line, and it has flat end caps. See this line and this line, it has flat end caps. Now let's try the circular. This one will give 50 minus 50. Now you can see it has circular end caps. The next video is about extrude and type of extrude. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.